Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing Guru. Today we are reviewing a new, quite hyped smartphone, the Tecno Pova 7 5G. This phone claims to offer a lot on paper: big battery, powerful processor, smooth display. But is it really worth your money? Let's break it down honestly, from design to performance, without any sugarcoating. Let's get started. Jumping towards the box, here are the box content: Tecno Pova 7 5G phone, USB Type-C cable, a 45-watt fast charger, a SIM ejector tool, and some paperwork. Now starting with the design, the Pova 7 5G has a solid in-hand feel with dimension of 167.25 into 75.61 into 8.8 mm. Despite that, it feels ergonomics thanks to the curved 2.5D edges. The build is plastic, but the matte finish with a unique texture gives it something premium look. Also, it comes with an IP64 rating for dust and water resistance, which is a great addition at this price point. Now, one of the biggest highlights of this phone is 6000 mAh battery, paired with 45-watt fast charging in real usage. This easily lasts 1.5 to 2 days with mixed usage, gaming, streaming, calls, and more. The 45-watt fast charger comes included in the box and can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in around 30 minutes. Pretty efficient. Also, the phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultimate, a capable and balanced 5G chipset. Whether you are doing a daily task, multitasking, or gaming, it handles everything smoothly. Games like BGMI or Call of Duty run well on medium to high setting. It also has a hard gyroscope for accurate motion sensing, and the dual stereo speaker with Dolby Atmos really enhance the gaming and entertainment experience. And for gamers and binge watchers, the 144Hz refresh rate on this 6.78-inch display makes a noticeable difference. It's smooth and responsive. Now, how we can forget this camera setup? The rear camera comes with a 50-megapixel autofocus sensor and the front with 13-megapixel selfie. The camera performance is decent for its price. The 50-megapixel main sensor captures good details in daylight and colors are natural. Dynamic range is fair, but low light shots can be a bit noisy. The 13-megapixel front camera is okay for selfies and video calls, but you may notice slightly aggressive beautification. Video recording supports up to 2K resolution with basic electronic stabilization. In terms of connectivity, it covers all the essentials: 5G, 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, OTG, GPS. Even with the Type-C port, you also get the side-mounted fingerprint scanner, which is fast and reliable. Even you also get an IR blaster to control TV and other devices, which is a very rare thing at this price point. Talking about the software and the unique feature, the software experience is clean and the phone features Ella AI Assistant, which supports multiple Indian languages like Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and more. One standout feature is make calls even without network, which use Wi-Fi calling and offline assistance to help in low network zones. A big plus if you're in remote areas. So now, concluding the pros, it comes with a massive 6000 mAh battery plus 45-watt fast charging, Dimensity 7300 Ultimate, excellent mid-range performance, 144Hz, smooth display, and dual stereo speaker with Dolby Atmos, NFC, infrared, and plus IP64 rating. Ella AI with Indian intelligence support. These are all the pros. Now discussing the cons: average low light camera performance, outdoor brightness could be better, slightly bulky and heavy, and yes, the brand is not that popular, so future software support is very uncertain. While wrapping it up, the Tecno Pova 7 5G is featured-packed smartphone focused on battery performance and entertainment. It's not a camera-focused device and it's slightly bulky, but if you're looking for an all-rounder under 15,000 rupees, this could be a very solid pick. It delivers on performance, display smoothness, and battery life. And if you're planning to buy this phone, I have dropped the purchase link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Only on Unboxing. See you in the next one. Take care and happy take hunting.